Hello everyone, this is Dave from Dave's Recent Things. Welcome to Wreathster Week. Today we are on our last episode, which is our bonus episode. For all of my newcomers out there, my new viewers, new subscribers, I usually do the week of wreaths, plus I add one bonus wreath right at the very end, so it totals 8 episodes of our week of wreaths. This time around we're doing Easter and wreaths, so it's Wreathster Week all combined 2025. Today is our bonus and our last episode of our Wreathster Week series, but not the last. Why don't I just get started and I'll show you what I made. For our last episode, I'm going to be using an 18-inch grapevine wreath. And of course, I found these flocked bunnies. They have been so popular over the last couple of years, along with a flocked egg. I'm going to be using a ton of greenery today and some of these beautiful, gorgeous roses that I got from the dollar store and some more roses in different colors. Of course, my regular crafting utensils to create this project today. What I'm going to do first is place my flocked bunny down along with my egg, and all I'm going to do for this is kind of place it where I want. I know I want the bunny off on the right hand side. Once I've got that all in place, I'm going to add a lot of hot glue. I am not wiring the bunny down. I figured there's a lot of contact points for the bunny and the egg to glue down. And you can see I'm putting more glue on there. And now I'm going to attach the egg to the bunny and to the wreath itself. Now you can use wire. You can wrap the wire around the neck if you want. I also turned it over and I added some more hot glue right on the back side just to kind of let it drip in between and onto the bunny to make sure it's nice and secure. And then I'm going to move on to my greenery. Like I said, I had so many different kinds of greenery. The biggest amount of greenery that I had was these ferns. I loved these ferns, and these just come from the Dollar Tree. And all I'm really going to do is I'm going to take apart a couple and I'm going to leave 3 or 4 of them together. And then I'm just going to insert them into the grapevine wreath itself. And I'm going to add some hot glue. I don't want this to go anywhere. If you want, you don't need the hot glue. You can just stick it into the grapevine branches there and take it out for your next wreath or replace it with new stuff. It's totally up to you. I decided to actually glue everything down. This wreath is definitely going on my front door this year. I had this idea for a while and I know I really wanted to do it. Once I get all the ferns in there, I'm going to add some ficus leaves, and all I'm doing is I'm just kind of placing them around, and then I'm going to add some glue and sticking them into the branches as well. I'm going to take a couple of different colors, a couple of different styles of leaves, just to change it up a little bit so it doesn't seem so much greenery in there. I wanted a lot of greenery, but I also wanted interest and I wanted change of colors. So I am using a lot of different colors, and here is the final result of our greenery background with our Easter bunny. Of course, I'm not just going to leave it all green. I am going to put roses in there, and I wanted to kind of follow a purple lavender theme, if you will. Those roses are the focal points, so they've got kind of a pinky lavendery hue to them, so I decided I'm going to use those, along with some smoky purpley roses, some purple roses, and all I decided to do was do a dry run. So you just saw me adding them all in there, and once it's all added in there and I'm happy with the placement of everything, I start gluing everything down. So I'm just taking those roses, the florals, adding a lot of hot glue on the back, and then I'm just going to stick them right into the leaves, right into the grapevine branches as well, to make sure they're all nice and secure. Of course, there's different color flocked bunnies at Michael's. You can choose whichever color you want, and then you can match it with the same color, kind of a monochromatic wreath, if you will, like I'm doing here. Or you can do something completely different, all full of color, different color, florals, greenery, etc. But our final result, and I know this is a really quick video and I'm sorry, but there really wasn't much to assemble this wreath today, but it's something that I really wanted to do, and I always love doing a showstopper wreath for our bonus episode of our Wreathmas Week. And I truly believe that this is a total showstopper for our little finale of our Wreathster Week 2025. I just wanted to take a second to thank all of you so very much for watching and commenting and keeping in touch with me during this Wreathster Week. I truly hope you enjoyed this Wreathster Week. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye for now.